BR10, the Waterfall Cave.
It's alright, my torch is that good.
Nice. Cave crickets.
Look at that. I really explore my own area anyway.
Oh, your torch is sick. Here, we'll turn ours off. Let
Yeah,
Jim.
turn yours off, Jack. See how good mine is.
That's fine. You're making a big deal. You can see it. Yeah, that's good.
Fuck, I might need to get another one out, eh?
Nah, that's alright.
This about me night vision.
That won't work in here, mate. Just the way the night vision works. Anyway, that's that bit. We're on the base level now. Oh, that's a kneecapper. Oh, yeah, nice big flowstone.
Yeah,
It's very nice.
good example.
Yeah, it's fairly white, a bit creamy.
Custard.
Yeah. Oh, and the moon milk doesn't taste like milk.
You
In
tried
case
it.
you were wondering, yes.
Does it taste like lime?
Shit. It tastes like fucking. No, you gotta get the soft stuff.
Ugh.
Tastes like rock.
Unreal.
Actually, Jack, do I have the windy one?
What?
The windy one.
Windy one.
Looks like we're up for a crawl under there.
Yeah, there's one over here too. It's dug out. Up there.
What's the solution pipe?
Big hole that goes to the surface eventually. It's got tree roots. Be a big tree up there.
Really?
Yeah, lots of trees everywhere. Yeah, we want to be up the back. Oh, evidence of bats. Lots of bat shit
What?
on the floor.
I like that.
Sure, that there. Bat-like.
I follow my dictation.
Is that a vent?
Nah. Fucking hell, we got some else.
Have you got a ticket, mate?
You guys your ticket.
It might be down the bottom
Next
there.
time you guys come down, we'll take some decent days, eh? Some decent formations and shit.
Some big boys.
Oh yeah.
Actually, I've been really liking all of them. I'm not really that picky. The cave's a cave.
Yeah, okay.
It might be on.
But I would like to see some big ones.